Arthur Escobar. I'm a former graduate of Manchester Technical College. I did 1 semester for the Advanced Manufacturing and Production program with Mr. Berlu. From there, I learned the basics of engineering, from hydraulic systems, electrical systems, pneumatics, SolidWorks, all the way to robotics. Got my certifications in OSHA, got my robot certifications, some SolidWorks certifications, and forklift certification throughout that time. I was able to land a job with KHS Automation. From there, I've been traveling the U.S., working on automated cells, working on I'm a palletizer technician myself. It's just a real game changer. This class itself was a real game changer for me. It was a great program. I really recommend it.